What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I manage 10 plus clients in my agency without dropping the ball using Claude. So let's get started. Managing 10 plus clients used to mean something was always falling through the cracks. A missed update here, a deliverable nobody flagged, a client email you meant to send Monday is sent on Thursday, if at all. I built a cloud system instead, a one weekly data drop, and Claude handles the rest in under 10 minutes. So it generates pre-client briefs, or weekly summaries for each account, client update emails, which are drafted and ready to be sent, overdue flagging, where it auto-spots deliverables at risk, and lastly generates a master dashboard where every account stands at a glance. To build this cloud system, in Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for managing our clients without having to hire a project manager. So to create a skill, I'm going to click on customize right here, click on skills. I'm going to click on the plus icon here. We're going to create the skill using Claude. I'm going to hit enter to describe the skill that we like Claude to generate for us. So we can tell Claude, create a skill that builds a cloud system for managing multiple agency clients using spreadsheet as a single source of truth. The skill should design a workflow that reads the client data from the spreadsheet, generates a separate weekly brief for each client, drafts personalized client update emails for each client, and creates a master status dashboard showing the health and progress of every client. The weekly brief and the client update emails should automatically be written in a dedicated Google Docs, and the system should output the Google Docs link for review. The master dashboard should be generated as a downloadable file. The skill should clearly define the structure of the spreadsheet, the required inputs, how Claude processes the spreadsheet, the prompts used at each stage, the outputs generated, and how everything works together so an agency owner can keep every client on track without needing a project manager. To create the skill, I'm going to hit enter right here. Here, you can see it successfully created our skill for us right here. So the skill is called Agency Client Manager. So here's what is inside the skill. You can see right here. Here's what it does. So it reads the agency client roster Google Sheet, then generates a weekly brief per client, then generates a client update email per client, then says to both to Google Docs, and generates a master HTML dashboard that is downloadable. So now to install our skill, I'm going to download it right here. And after it has been downloaded, we're going to install it. I'm going to go back to skills and click on the plus icon right here. Then I'm going to upload the skill. And here I'm going to upload the zip that we just downloaded. And now here you can see that we uploaded our skill right here. This is incredible. So you can go over our skill line by line to ensure that it has exactly what we're looking for. It's going to output exactly what we want. You can see the various steps right here. So if we start from the top, we can see what is going to be contained in the spreadsheet. Required inputs. And it's going to start by generating the weekly brief here on the data from our spreadsheet. Then it's going to generate client update email here. Then it's going to save it to a Google Docs in Google Drive. Then generate a master status dashboard here. This is incredible. So now, if you'd like to include or exclude information to or from a skill, you can edit it. To edit the skill, just click on the three dots right here. Click on edit with Claude. And here, you can tell Claude what you'd like it to include to the skill or exclude from the skill. But since our skill works perfectly, we can go ahead and feed it some client data so you can generate for us some update emails, a weekly brief, and a dashboard for an example client. Here, we can tell Claude, call our skill right here, then tell Claude, use this skill to build a complete cloud system that helps an agency owner manage clients without dropping the ball. The system should use a spreadsheet named Agency Client Roster Spreadsheet as its input. and read the client information from the spreadsheet, and generate an individual weekly brief, personalized client update email for every client, and save each client output to Google Docs and return the link for review. So now in Google Sheets, I've created a spreadsheet that I've renamed to Agency Client Roster Spreadsheet. Here, I've listed 10 dental clinics that are going to act as our example agency clients. Here we're adding the client's company name, their contact name, contact email, the service package, monthly retainer, start date, current phase, the week's deliverables of each client, completed milestones, blockers or issues, next step, health status, and the notes. This is a spreadsheet that the system is going to use to get the client's information. So you can simply export this data to the spreadsheet from your CRM, and then upload the data as a CSV file, then come and upload to the spreadsheet similar to this one over here. Or you can directly use your CRM. So if you're using ClickUp, Monday, Notion, or any tool similar to those ones, you can come and connect the MCP to Cloud right here. Then you can be able to access the client data automatically right here in Cloud. Then you're continuing by telling Cloud the system should also generate a master status dashboard that provides a complete overview of all active clients and make the dashboard available as a downloadable file. Include the complete structure for the spreadsheet, every prompt, artifact, instruction, workflow, and implementation step required to recreate the entire system inside Cloud. So here, I'm going to hit enter. Give it a second for it to generate all deliverables for us. Here, you can see it successfully generated our brief and the dashboard for each of our 2 clients. So I decided to start with only 2 clients first, and you can see it successfully generated our brief and our dashboard. This is incredible. So it started by planning and creating the blueprints right here. Then we ran the agency client manager with Google Drive. Then it proceeded to generate our brief for our 2 clients right here with the dashboards. This is incredible. So now let us preview the briefs for both our clients. To do that, I'm going to open this link. It's for the first client, and this one will be for the second client right here. So I'm going to open the link. When we open our 2 links, here you can see our weekly brief. One of our clients, starting with Oakwood Family Dentistry, is the first section of the brief, which is account snapshot. Is the second section, this week's focus. This is the third section, completed to date. Fourth section, which is blockers and risk. Fifth section, which is the next steps. Sixth section, which is account health. And the 7th section, which is internal notes. And here you can also see the client update email that we generated the client right here. The subject line and the email body right here. This is really incredible. And then this one is for the second client. Here's a weekly brief for Bright Smile Dental. Here's the first section, the weekly brief, the account snapshot. Second section, which is this week's focus. Third section, which is completed to date. Fourth section, which is blockers and risk. Fifth section, which is next steps. Sixth section, which is account health. And the 7th section, which is internal notes. And then here you can see the client update email. So we can send the client. Here's the subject line. Here's the email body. This is really incredible. Now, besides the weekly briefs that we generated for our clients, we also generated the agency client dashboard right here. You can see a total of 2 clients. One is green and the other one is yellow. Total monthly recurring revenue is 7,700 USD. And here you can see the dashboard for Bright Smile Dental. We can preview the opening the link. So it'll take us to these document right here with the updates email and the weekly brief. And we can also see one right here for Code Family Dentistry right here. And here you can see the service package, phase, this week's deliverables, and the top blockers right here. And when you click on the view brief, we're going to be taken to these document right here with the weekly brief and the client update email. This is incredible. So we successfully generated our weekly brief all these different sections, and the client update email for both our clients, and generated the dashboard for each of our clients right here from the spreadsheet. Using the scale that we created right here in Claude. This is incredible. So we can reuse these prompts to generate a new weekly brief and dashboards for our clients. To do that, we can clear these two rows and update our spreadsheet with a new set of clients with the details. I've gone ahead and updated our spreadsheet with 3 new clients right here with the names, contact name, contact email, service package, monthly retainer, start date, current phase, weekly deliverables, completed milestone, blockers and issues, next steps, health status and notes. Generate weekly briefs for these clients. I'm going to hit enter. Here we can see it successfully generated our weekly brief for about 3 clients that we added to a spreadsheet right here. This is incredible. So I told it I updated the spreadsheet with 3 new clients, which it went ahead and generated our weekly briefs and updated the master dashboard with all our 5 clients, as you can see right here. This is incredible. So now to open the weekly briefs here, I'm going to open the link of each brief right here. Now when we open our 3 weekly briefs, you can see the first one for Premier Dental Studio. It is a weekly brief with all these different sections right here. The first section is the account snapshot. The other one is this week's focus. The other one is completed to date. The other one is the blockers and risk. Section 5 is the next steps. Section 6 is the account health. And the last section is the internal notes. Then here you can see the client update email for Premier Dental Studio. Here's the subject line of the email. In the email, and here's the email body. You can send our client by the end of the week, updating them on what we've done during the week. Here's the other one for Evergreen Dental Clinic. Here are the sections right here with the client update email. This is incredible. The last one was for Riverside Dental Clinic. It's a weekly brief with all the 7 sections right here. This is amazing. And now here in our dashboard, you can see we successfully updated our dashboard with our clients. As you can see over here, total of 5. This is really incredible. So we have 5 total clients. The green ones are 3, yellow 2, red 0. Here's our total monthly recurring revenue. And then on each client, we're getting the name, the company name, client name, monthly fee, service package we've done this week, and the top block over here. Then when you click on view brief, you can be able to preview the briefs right here for each company. And it's all the same for our 3 clients right here. This is really impressive. We can try generating our weekly brief documents and updating our dashboard with 5 more example clients. So in our spreadsheet, I've updated our spreadsheet with the 5 new clients right here. Here are the names, here their company name, contact email, service package, monthly retainer, start date, current phase, weeks, deliverables, completed milestones, blockers and issues, next steps, health status, and the notes. So now to generate weekly briefs for these clients and update the dashboard, we're going to reuse our prompt right here. So I'll copy it and then I'll paste it right here. Then here I'm going to hit enter. Let's give it a second for you to generate our deliverables. I've gone ahead and generated a brief document for all our clients from scratch to include all of them to this dashboard here. Incredible. So it did a plan, then I told it to run the agency client manager skill. Here you can see the process, all our 10 clients, and generated the briefs document for each of our clients. This is incredible. And also added the clients to our dashboard over here. Let's review the brief document. So for each brief document, we're getting the 7 sections: the account snapshot, this week's focus, completed, to date, blockers and risk, next steps, account health, and internal notes. Then we're generating an update email that we're going to send to our client. This is the client and this email body. So this is the pattern. This is the pattern that we are following for each of our clients right here. You can see for each brief, we're generating the account snapshot, this week's focus, completed date, blockers and risks, next steps, account health, and internal notes. And down below, we are generating the client update email. The same pattern for each brief. Then is added our clients to our agency client dashboard. You can see we have a total of 10 clients. The ones who are marked as green are 6. The ones who are marked as yellow are 4. We have no client marked as red. And our total monthly recurring revenue is $40,000 a month. This is incredible. Here you can see our 10 clients right here. For each client, you can see the client name, company name, the client name, service that we're offering them, what we did this week for their clients, and the link to view these brief documents that we just generated right here. We're doing that for each and every single client right here. This is incredible. We successfully generated these comprehensive weekly briefs for each and every single one of our clients. Then added the briefs and the update email to these documents in Google Docs. Then proceeded to add our clients to these dashboard right here. Using the skill that we created right here in Claude. This is incredible. So this is how I manage 10 plus clients in my agency automatically without dropping the ball using Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.